Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am so excited to be testing this fragrance. It's called Sparkling Ginger. I think in the last 2 months I've tested about 50 fragrances. Not every fragrance makes the cut for BeScented, but this one is amazing. I think it will be fantastic. Excuse me. In candles, obviously soap, but even scrubs. It's just really light and refreshing. Think it's ginger ale. It's got some sparkling lemon, some jasmine, and a dash of cinnamon. I mean, it smells so good. It smells like you could literally eat it. So I think this is a great fragrance, and I'm really excited for BeScented to carry it. Again, this fragrance, it performs fantastic. No ricing, no acceleration. You can see I'm stick blending, just waiting for it to kind of come to trace a little bit, and I decided just to do a simple white soap, no color, but just put some gold glitter on the top, so just to try something different. But you can see right here the batter is super fluid. I've got plenty, you've got plenty of time to work with this. When I do all my testing videos, I do a 2-to-1 water discount, so if it's going to seize, if it's going to accelerate, you're going to know it with a pretty steep water discount.